I made here a Italian meringue out of Versawhip, a little bit of xanthan gum, and a little bit of Calco gel, because I really want a sturdy meringue for a very long time. So I'm going to turn it on and just kind of get it going. Make sure. The best part is if it does start to deflate, you can remix it and it will come back to life. While we're doing that, this is what it looks like out of the package. So as you can see, it is a yellow powder that you're just going to use about 1% to the total weight of the liquid that you're trying to make a meringue out of.
Because this is a vegan meringue, and typically people say, you know, well, I just use Aquafaba to make, vegan meringues, and it works. But then you really get that garbanzo flavor in there. Does the Versawhip, because it's made from soy, does the Versawhip add a soy flavor? Does it taste like soy meringues?
No, so the Versawhip does not have a flavor if you use it in the correct amount. So I'm going to turn this down. We can pop it up here and just kind of show. Okay, so it's about medium. You can just see really how nice it is. A beautiful glossy meringue.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's beautiful.
Right. And then you can take this, you can make an abundance of things. You can dry it, like we showed. You can toast it as well because it does have that sugar content. Right here, they're beautiful, they're glossy.
Yep,
right?
Very glossy.
And then you can snap them and you can make all sorts of different shapes. These are a little bit more modern dessert kind of shapes, but then you can pipe them in really beautiful designs, you know, rosettes.
And they do taste great. Like there's zero like soy flavor in this at all, which is really nice. It's
completely neutral, just has that nice texture and a beautiful color. It's perfectly white.